Looking for the best kitchen knife set that actually makes cooking easier and more enjoyable? In this video, I'll break down the top 5 knife sets that deliver sharp performance, comfort, and long-term durability for any home kitchen. If you want to upgrade your cooking game, you're in the right place, so make sure to subscribe to the channel. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's dive in. Number 1. Home Hero Kitchen Knife Set. The Home Hero Kitchen Knife Set, a complete solution designed to make everyday cooking easier, safer, and more enjoyable. This set includes a wide range of essential knives for chopping, slicing, dicing, and carving, all made from durable stainless steel. The blades are designed to stay sharp longer, while the ergonomic handles provide a comfortable, non-slip grip that feels secure even during long prep sessions. It's a well-balanced set that works smoothly for both quick meals and more detailed recipes. What makes the Home Hero knife set stand out compared to others is its all-in-one approach. Instead of mixing and matching different knives, you get a coordinated set that covers almost every kitchen task, with consistent quality across the board. Pros include its sharp blades, comfortable handles, easy maintenance, and versatile knife selection. A small inconvenience is professional chefs may want a more specialized, ultra-premium blade for advanced techniques. In my analysis, this is a practical and reliable knife set that focuses on performance and usability rather than unnecessary extras. To use it effectively, always cut on a proper board, clean and dry the knives after use, and store them safely to maintain sharpness. Personally, I think it's good because it's dependable and beginner-friendly, but not ideal for those who want custom, single-purpose knives. This set is perfect for home cooks, families, and anyone upgrading their kitchen essentials. See the description for more details. Number 2. HENCKELS Kitchen Knife Set. The HENCKELS Kitchen Knife Set, a brand trusted by home cooks and professionals across the USA for generations. This knife set is designed to handle everyday kitchen tasks with ease. You get a well-balanced collection of essential knives made from high-quality stainless steel, engineered for long-lasting sharpness and durability. The blades are precision-stamped and finished for clean, smooth cuts, while the ergonomic handles provide a secure, comfortable grip even during long prep sessions. So, why is this better than many other knife sets? HENCKELS focuses on consistency and reliability. These knives are easy to control, resistant to stains, and built to stay sharp longer with proper care. Unlike cheaper sets, they don't feel flimsy, and the balance between blade and handle makes cutting safer and more efficient. Pros include solid build quality, comfortable handles, easy maintenance, and versatility for meats, vegetables, and daily cooking. A small inconvenience is they may require occasional honing to maintain peak sharpness, and advanced chefs might want specialty knives beyond the basics. My analysis: this is a dependable, no-nonsense knife set that performs well in real kitchens. To use it effectively, hand wash and dry after use, store the knives properly, and hone them regularly to extend blade life. Overall, it's good because it's reliable, durable, and user-friendly. It may not be ideal for collectors or professional chefs needing ultra-specialized blades, but it's perfect for home cooks, families, and anyone upgrading their kitchen tools. See the description for more details. Number 3. Sunnecko Kitchen Knife Set. The Sunnecko Kitchen Knife Set, a popular choice for home cooks who want professional performance without overcomplicating their kitchen. This knife set is designed with high-quality stainless steel blades that are sharp, durable, and resistant to rust. Each knife feels well-balanced in the hand, which means better control and cleaner cuts whether you're slicing vegetables, prepping meat, or chopping herbs. The handles are ergonomically shaped, offering a comfortable grip that reduces hand fatigue during longer cooking sessions. What makes the Sunnecko knife set stand out compared to many others is its focus on performance and comfort. Instead of flashy extras, it delivers consistent sharpness, solid build quality, and reliable everyday use. Many knife sets look good on the counter but underperform in real kitchens. This one is built to work. Pros include excellent sharpness, comfortable handles, and versatile knives that cover most kitchen tasks. On the downside, these knives do require proper care, like hand washing and occasional sharpening, to maintain peak performance. In my analysis, this set strikes a strong balance between usability and durability. To use it effectively, always use a wooden or plastic cutting board and store the knives safely to protect the blade edges. Overall, it's a great option for home cooks, food enthusiasts, and even beginners who want to upgrade their kitchen tools. If you're looking for reliable knives that feel professional and perform consistently, this set is worth considering. See the description for more details. Number 4. Cuisinart Kitchen Knife Set. The Cuisinart Kitchen Knife Set and why it's one of the most trusted options for home cooks across the USA. This knife set is designed to cover all your everyday kitchen needs, including chopping vegetables, slicing meat, and precise cutting. The blades are made from high-quality stainless steel, offering long-lasting sharpness and strong resistance to rust. Each knife features an ergonomic handle that feels comfortable and balanced in the hand, even during long prep sessions. So, why is this better than many other knife sets? Cuisinart focuses on reliability and consistency. You're not just getting sharp knives, you're getting tools that are easy to control, low maintenance, and built for real-world cooking, not just display. Pros include sharp blades, comfortable grips, and a versatile selection of knives suitable for most recipes. Cons may include that professional chefs might prefer heavier, specialty knives for advanced tasks. My analysis: this set delivers excellent performance for everyday kitchens. It's easy to use, just choose the right knife, use a cutting board, and clean by hand to maintain sharpness. It's good because it's dependable and user-friendly. It's not ideal if you want ultra-premium, custom blades. This set is perfect for beginners, families, and anyone upgrading their kitchen essentials. See the description for more details. Number 5. Victorinox Kitchen Knife Set. The Victorinox Kitchen Knife Set, a brand trusted by professionals and home cooks all over the world. Victorinox is best known for its Swiss precision, and that same quality shows up clearly in this knife set. Each knife is made with high-carbon stainless steel, which means excellent sharpness, strong edge retention, and resistance to rust. The blades are thin but durable, allowing for smooth, precise cuts whether you're slicing vegetables, carving meat, or doing fine prep work. What makes this set better than many others is its balance and reliability. These knives don't feel bulky or overly heavy. The ergonomic handles are designed for comfort and control, even during long cooking sessions. Compared to many flashy knife sets, Victorinox focuses on performance instead of unnecessary extras. Pros include razor-sharp blades, lightweight design, easy maintenance, and professional-level cutting performance. A small inconvenience is the design is more practical than stylish, and some users may prefer heavier knives, but that's mostly personal preference. Using them is simple: hand wash, dry immediately, and store safely to maintain sharpness. These knives are great because they're efficient, dependable, and built to last, but they may not be ideal if you're only looking for a decorative kitchen set. Overall, the Victorinox kitchen knife set is perfect for home cooks, meal preppers, and anyone who values performance over looks. See the description for more details. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.